Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products on the Heinemann application by scanning their barcode. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that you should tap on the home button down below that you can find in the left side corner of the screen. Then go to the top of the screen where you can see this search bar, and next to it there is this scanner or QR code icon, so tap on it. And you need to allow the application to have access to your camera, so tap on settings, and then you should click on camera, which is the second button. Then go back to the app. Repeat the steps, so go to your home page and tap on the scanner icon, and then finally you can scan the QR code or the barcode, and then you can search for a product. So scan it, and then you will be directed to a page where you can check out the available product if there is any connected to that barcode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.